Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we're taking XP22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative FICO clients. Okay, client FICO scores. You can see here. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, writing, economics, Python, C++, Java, and many more online courses. I will help you your weekly quizzes, weekly assignments, and exams and complete course. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step, focusing on the title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative clients FICO scores. Here is project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1, you can see first this, and then question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 11 cumulative FICO XLS. Okay, you can see here basically in this question we will download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, please all my students subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and if you do not ever do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle complete course for you with A+ grade. You can see this my Excel workbook. I have downloaded this file from a Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. In cell E2, insert the text function that display the upper and lower case letter for the loss name in the range D to D21. Using the range in the function arguments, create an array of loss name so that do not have copy the function down the column 0. Column OK. Basically in this question we will click on cell E2 and enter the text function that display the upper and lower case letter for the name. Click on cell E2, press is equal to, and then we will enter here function. Okay, text function. We will enter here text function, display the upper and lower case letter for the last name. Okay, last name. You can select this range D2 D21 for column last column, and then using the range in the function argument, create an array of last. Enter inverted commas, and then we will tab. Okay, L, you can tap this, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 time L. You can tap 10 time L, and then we will press enter, and then it will be found here. You can see. Okay, last name will be found here. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. In question number 3, in cell F2, insert the text join function that combines the first client's initial in cell C2 with the person last name in cell E2. Use a period and space as the delimiter. Copy the function to the range F3 to F21. Basically in this question, moving on Excel workbook, click on cell F2 and then insert the text join function and that combine the first client's initial in the C2 with the person that last name in cell E2. Okay, we will moving on Excel workbook, click on cell F2, press is equal to, and then enter here function text join function. Okay, and then that combine first client's initial in cell C2 and then person last name in cell E2. First client's initial in cell C2 and the last person in cell E2. Okay, and then statement is true, enter inverted commas, comma, then inverted commas, then comma, then enter statement is true, and then C2 then initial and last is that E2 and then press enter. It will be find the name is in cell F2. You can see this all name and then copy the function to the range F3 to F21. Copy the function to the range F3 to F21. You can copy this function and then we will throw F3 to F21. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. And if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me. I will handle your complete course and I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, copy the function F3 to F21. We will copy this function F3, double click on this so you can scroll down. Okay, move this cursor. Okay, all name will be shown in column F. Okay, in question number 4, in cell B2 insert the concat function that combines or the. Okay, you can read this question. It's question number 4. Cell A2. Okay, combine the initial in cell C2, the old ID in cell A2 and the first letter of the last name in cell D2. Use a nested left function to retrieve the first letter of the last name. Do not include any delimiters. Copy the function to the range B3 to B21. Okay, first we will click on cell B2 and then we will insert the concat function that combines the initial in cell C2. Click on cell B2, press is equal to and then we will enter here function concat function in cell B2. Okay, double click on this function and then we will enter this C2 and A2. Okay, C2 and A2 and left function and 2 D2 and 1, then press subtract from then okay, then press enter. New ID will be shown in here and copy the function to the range B3 to B21. Copy the function to the range B3 to B21. Okay, this is good. Now you can see here I have done this question very good. Now moving on, next question you can see this. First I have done this concat function into a C2 A2 left function and then into D2 and then when 1 and then we press enter, it will find new IDs all in will be here. Now moving on, next question. Is question number 5. In question number 5, select the range G2 to G21 and convert the columns. Use the commas as the delimiter and deselect the delimiter checkbox within the wizard. Make sure the columns are formatted as text. Okay, select the range G2 to G21 first and then convert it to columns. Okay, you can read this question. First we enter this range and range area and then go to the data tab and then text to column. Click on text to column and then click on comma and then click on tab and then press OK. Okay, this is good. Now you can see this question is completely done right now. Now moving on, next question. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your any exam, any assignment and weekly quizzes, or if you want to do it for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. Okay, select the range I2 to I21 use find and replace the find space and replace it with nothing. Okay, select the range I2 to I21 first. You can select this range and go moving on Excel workbook, enter this range in range area. Okay, then use find and replace them space and replace is with nothing. Okay, we will find and replace all occurrences. We will find, go to the home tab. Okay, go to the home tab and then go to the find and replace. Go to the home tab, click on find and select. Okay, go to the replace, find is that space and then replace with nothing. You can copy this nothing and we will paste in with replace box. Okay, replace with nothing and then click on replace all. Okay, this is good now. First we enter this range and then go to the home tab and click on find and select and find and replace, and then okay, this is good now. Now cross this. Now moving on customer 7. In customer 7, insert J3, insert the unique function to the list unique city by state abbreviation in the range G2 to I21. Next, the unique function within a sort function to sort the result by the state abbreviation. Basically, in this question, first we will moving on Excel workbook and then click on cell J3 and insert the unique function to list the unique city and state abbreviation in the range G2 to Gi21. Unique function with the sort function to sort the result by the state abbreviation. Moving on Excel workbook, click on cell J3 and enter here unique function. Press is equal to and then we will select here function sort with unique function. Unique with sort function and here unique. Then city columns G2 to G21 is the range. Okay, then we will enter statement. True, statement is true. Then again true. Then press enter. Okay, sorry, into and then 1 and then 1 and then press enter. You can see this is done now. Total location, client location will be found in column J. First we will enter this formula unique sort function and then enter G2. Okay, Kansas City for G2 and G20 G for okay for city column G2 to G21 and then true and then statement 2 and into 1 and 1, then press enter. It will be find the total location, client's location is here. Now moving on next question. I have done this question completely right now. You can see on my PC screen. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade and I will do weekly quizzes and weekly assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, in customer rate in cell K1 insert the rows function to count the number of unique location. Next, the unique function within the rows function using the same array that you used in the step 7. Basically, in this question, we will click on cell K1 and then enter unique row function. Press is equal to and then enter row unique row function and then we will enter unique row function. So the row function is A2, then press enter. First we will press is equal to enter row function and A2 subtract from row into A1, then we will press enter. It will find total location in cell K1. Okay, now we'll move on next question. Next question is question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment right now. Insert K1, insert the rows function that count the number of unique function. Okay, insert K1, insert unique function with row. Sorry, I was put this wrong formula. Now I am doing this correct. Okay, press is equal to and then enter row function, unique function with row function. Okay, rows and then enter unique function. Okay, and then cities column G2 to G21, and then statement is true. Okay, and then true again. Okay, close this and then press enter. It will be find total location is K1 20. It will find 20 of total location. Now moving on question number 9. I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Question number 9 is that display the scores worksheet in cell A2, insert a rows function that uses the range A2 to A21 as the array. The result should then subtract the row number for $1. Basically in this question we will display the score worksheet and then click on cell A2 and then insert row function. Moving on Excel workbook, display clients worksheet, score worksheet. Okay, then press is equal to. First we will display scores worksheet and then we will enter a formula in cell A2. Press is equal to rows function, cell A2 and then press enter. Sorry. Press is equal to rows row function in cell A2. Okay, subtract from row. Okay, subtract from row. Sorry, 1 second, that's my PC problem. Okay, row you can enter this formula row into A2 and then subtract row A1, then press enter to find record in cell A1. You can see this records in cell A1. First we will enter this row function, then A2 and subtract from row A1, then copy the function through A21. You can see this. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to do for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writings, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. Okay, I can help you, and you will hire me for your weekly quizzes, weekly assignment, and for your complete course. I will do complete course and I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. I will do all assignments with A plus grade. I will do all exams with A plus grade, and I will do all quizzes with A plus grade. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.